In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a registry. If you've been invited to a celebration and want to shop directly from someone's wishlist, Etsy makes it simple to locate their registry so you can choose a gift they truly want. I'll walk you through the exact flow, explain what you'll see on each screen, and share quick tips to help you find the right person, even if there are duplicate names. Start by heading to Etsy's website in your browser. You can do this on a computer or a phone. If you're on mobile and prefer the Etsy app, that works too, but the layout may look slightly different. Make sure you're on the official Etsy site and that your internet connection is steady so pages load quickly. On the Etsy homepage, look for the registry option. On desktop, you'll usually find it in the top navigation. On mobile, you may need to open the main menu first and then tap Registry. This takes you to Etsy's registry area, which is dedicated to both creating and finding registries. Once you're on the registry page, choose Find a Registry. This option is specifically for searching for someone else's registry rather than starting your own, and it opens a search bar you'll use in the next step. In the search field, type the person's name. If you have a direct link that was shared with you by the registrant, you can use that link instead, which will take you directly to their registry details. Otherwise, enter the first and last name as accurately as you can. If the name is common or you're unsure of spelling, try variations. Include a middle initial if you know it, or add additional context if the page offers filters like location or event type. Click the search button to see results. Give it a moment to load and you'll get a list of profiles that match your search. If nothing appears, double-check the spelling or try a different variation. It's also possible the registry is private, in which case the person may need to share a direct link with you. From the results, select the correct person. Look at details such as city, event type, or event date to help you choose the right match when there are multiple similar names. Selecting the right entry opens that registry, where you can view items, see what's still available, and proceed with purchasing a gift. That's all there is to it. By going to Etsy, tapping Registry, choosing Find a Registry, entering the name, running the search, and selecting the correct match, you'll quickly land on the right wish list and shop with confidence.